All right, so do a little walk around of the car. It's a 2015 SRT 392. So basically what I got done so far is we got the mid-muffler delete and we got the stainless works off-road mid-pipe. This car sounds mean, ridiculous. Probably one of the best sounding cars, you know, that I've heard. I've had quite a few cars, but I will tell you, when you get to the higher RPMs, you do start to notice a little rasp from it. So I do have a Flowmaster, what is that one, American Thunder, that I'm going to be putting on to see if that kind of helps with the higher RPMs and the rasp to get rid of it. But I gotta say, when you rev the car up, it sounds absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Inside, you know, there's not really much done right now. Just kind of stock. I will be getting the Barton short throw. Everybody has been recommending that. I do have the Escort radar. Other than that, it's got, you know, stock inside. Here we go. Pop the hood. I do have the WeatherTech mats. The fitment is not the best on them, as you can see. You know, I've had them, I don't know, not too long, but you know, they do the job. They protect, but you know, the fitment is not the best. Pop the hood. Not too much under the hood either. We'll be getting a tune here soon, so so far it's just a JLT intake, JLT air oil separator. Other than that, she stopped. Right now it's not tuned with the off-road mid-pipe, so you do get a little tiny hesitation in between, you know, shifting. And again, I will be getting a tune to take care of that, so hopefully it'll feel like a whole new beast when I'm done. Here, let me do a cold start for y'all. I don't have a tripod, so I'll use my water to hold it up. I can't just do click click because I don't got an automatic. I hate now, you guys. That automatic is an amazing automatic, but I kind of wanted it to be a stick. That's good enough. All right, it's cold start. But I'll post another video, hopefully of it getting tuned, and after I get the Flowmaster on there, and then see what she got.